Okie dokie. So now that you have a place mark, we want to make sure that our place marks are organized. So, whoops, keep zooming in. One of the things we want to do is over here in our places, we want to make sure that we have created a folder to put all our points in. You'll see here's my Edward Weston Bio Tour. There's my folder. If you were going to create a folder, you would go up to Add, Folder, or Shift Command N, and that'll give you a folder. So then you can click in and give it a title. Oh, it doesn't want to let me type. Nope, not let me type. Oh well. You would want to give it a title that says the name of your project. So if you're doing Bernice Abbott, you would be Bernice Abbott Project, or Irving Penn is Irving Penn Project. And in here you would say by whoever you are. And you say OK. So here's my folder. I don't know why it would let me type. Then to move your location, remember I made my Oceano location. If I wanted to put that into my folder, I would merely click and drag it into the folder like that. See how it's now in the folder? It's underneath. Now I actually want it in my folder in here with the rest of my Weston locations, which makes a little more sense for me. So there. Now my folder has all of the points, the overview, and if I double click, it'll take me there. I'll have the pictures. Now my tour overview basically says here I am and there are all my points. My Weston Born, you can either click on it to see it or you can click on the dot here and we could zoom in on that. Zoom, zoom, zoom. It'll pull us right into that point. You'll see I also saved the cool little angled view for that. Then we can look at the information. So instead of recording this, what we'll do is simply go to each location during your presentation and then share all of the information in each point live. So we'll do that during presentations on Wednesday, and it looks like we'll be doing some on Thursday too. So hopefully we can get all of those done in time. Now, part 2, once you have all of these in your folder in chronological order, you want to make sure they're in the right order, we're going to just toggle this little arrow here up so that everything is in this folder, but all we see is the folder. Then we're going to highlight that, select it, and we're going to save, file save, and we're going to save place as. So it's not a place, it's a folder, but that's okay. Save the place as, and what will pop up is the name of your folder, and you can keep it that or name it something different, and it'll be a KMZ file. And this is the file that I actually need you to turn in for your project when you're done with your presentation. So I'm going to save that just to my desktop so I can find it. And in fact, zippy skippy, let's go. Oh, here it is. Here's my Edward Weston Bio Tour. Fantastic. So this is what I would then either attach to an email, probably the easiest way, and hand in. Okay? So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions or you're getting stuck, don't forget you can email me. And also don't forget that in addition to the citations for the images in the Google Earth placemarks, you need a bibliography to turn in that's like a Word document or a Google Doc that has all of the places where you got the information, not just the pictures. So that'll also be MLA format.